Hey everybody, welcome back to Layman Loans. In this video, we're going to see what is moratorium. So, I'm not very sure if all of you have heard this word, but it is very popular post-COVID times. Moratorium is like a break in the EMI which a bank gives pretty legally, and they'll overall give you enough time period for you to pay your EMIs after a EMI holiday. So what is a EMI holiday? So they'll give you a space or a kind of bandwidth of 3 months or 6 months or 1 year wherein you're not able to pay your EMI because of financial loss or kind of global catastrophe like a COVID-19 or something like that, wherein there was complete lockdowns and so many businesses around the world had completely slumped and they were not able to do any business. Several businesses had closed completely. So at this type of a global financial catastrophe, the banks actually give something called as a moratorium under the governance of RBI. So unless and until there is a RBI rule that it has to be compulsorily given, the banks are least bothered. They are not going to give you a moratorium if you are not able to pay an EMI just like that. Moratoriums are given at a global crisis level times under the guidance of RBI or any such organizations, or on a personal request if you are making to the bank that you have a very good credit score and you are able to pay your EMIs consistently, but suddenly due to some financial loss or extreme condition, you are not able to meet your EMI, so you are applying for a moratorium. So this is basically a kind of EMI holiday, what you are requesting the banks, and it doesn't mean that you are not being charged. It doesn't mean that all these EMI holidays are like free of cost. The banks are literally leaving you without paying the interest. What they are actually doing is they're going to take those EMIs and add it to the principal and make the overall principal value more, and they'll give you a revised EMI structure wherein the overall EMI will change and the total tenure also will change. Assume you have taken a moratorium of 1 year and your monthly EMI was 1 lakh and your total principal amount was 1 crore. So literally for 12 months you have taken the moratorium. So 12 months you should have actually paid 12 lakhs, but you have not paid. So what the banks will do is they'll add this 12 lakhs, which is the EMI holiday which they are giving you in the form of moratorium. They'll add this 12 lakhs to the principal. So you will be signing a new loan agreement wherein the overall principal amount will become 1 crore 12 lakhs and the revised EMI amount instead of 1 lakh will become 1.2 lakhs or 1.3 lakhs. So technically you are not getting any waiver of your EMI, or you are not getting any reduction in your EMI, but rather your payment has been postponed and the overall amount of payment has been accumulated to the principal, and it is actually making a significant impact on your forthcoming EMIs as well. Do we recommend you all to take a moratorium? 50-50. Actually, we do not recommend individuals to go for moratorium because it is literally going to increase your burden and it is going to increase the overall loan amount. But if you are in a kind of situation wherein you are helpless and you will not be able to pay a loan at all. So assume you are in a hospitality industry or you are in a kind of restaurant industry, food industry, hotel industry. These industries were extremely volatile and they were almost completely shattered during the COVID times. And assume they were making about 15-20 lakhs per month in income and they had a loan commitment of 3 to 4 lakhs. Post COVID times, they are like struggling to make even 1 or 2 lakhs. Then how can they actually meet the 3 or 4 lakhs of monthly commitment in EMI? So for it to actually come back to normalcy, it does take a significant time. It can be even 1 or 2 years or even 3 years. So during those times, they have to ensure they have the assets with them. So whether it is the home or the commercial property, whatever it is, they have to ensure those assets are very much with them and they are not being taken away by the bank. So for that particular reason, you can definitely avail a moratorium because that is the most sensible option to do. But on an ideal grounds, if you are able to meet EMIs, then definitely don't opt for moratorium because it is going to definitely increase your overall loan amount and increase the EMI value as well. That will significantly increase the total amount which you are paying to the bank, and that is definitely not recommended by us. I hope you have got significant information on what is a moratorium and whether you have to avail this or not. And if you're looking forward to know about how you can apply for a loan or how you can get special benefits from the banks, we are more than happy to guide you. For availing those guidance, all you have to do is fill up the form mentioned in the link given in the description as well as the comment section, and our team will get in touch with you and will be more than happy to help you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Looking forward to connect with you all in the next one.